We want to discourage this form of dialogue that is being called by the Chief Justice and the President of the Republic, and say that as a society, we do not appreciate a negotiation of judicial functions. As a society, we say that the law exists to administer judicial function, and we encourage both the Chief Justice and the judges that work under the judiciary to follow the law, and when they so do, the Law Society will support them. I want to say this, that as a society and as a branch, we continue to condemn the systematic attacks by the executive and the legislature on the judiciary and the performance of judicial function by judges. We want to remind the executive and the president in particular, and the members of the legislature that allied to that regime, that the conduct and their intention to casually treat court orders the way they do is risking us rendering the Republic into a state of lawlessness and a state of anarchy. And we remind them that the proper function and effectiveness of both the executive and parliament require an effective, functional, and independent judiciary. We must, as Kenyans, appreciate the uniqueness of the role of the judiciary in the governance of our republic, and let the executive not forget that the judicial authority, just like that of the executive and that of parliament, is derived from the people of the Republic of Kenya, and that all judicial functions are executed in accordance with the Constitution.